The dreaded emergency alert on Sunday at 3 p.m. desensitization training. We practice desensitization a lot, but when you begin you want to keep it on the lower volume to begin with for a few sessions. This is a quick video to show you the process.
Good job. Good job, guys.
As your dog is totally unbothered by the sound and happy, you can then begin to increase the volume in small increments. Keeping the journal logging the duration, the volume number and your dog's body language and communications can be a great way to build on this journey. Changing the volume up and down when working on desensitization as you're practicing and able to go up to higher levels can also be helpful. Even though we have been practicing, we will also be putting the phone outdoors just in case airplane mode, emergency alerts off doesn't work. Because we don't know how loud it is going to be with neighbors' phones also alerting at the same time. I simply keep rewarding continuously for engagement, and when they look at the phone and back to me, I reward again. To help them to learn that the sound is nothing to worry about. Obviously, this is slightly different and more limited to thunder and firework desensitization due to the short duration of the sound. Keep sessions and repetitions short but regular.